episode of the 74 Dodge Challenger restoration. Let's head out onto the shop and see where we're at. So it's still working away on it. Got it up on stands here. Rear drivetrain's pulled out. I'm gonna have an episode of that coming up real soon. Show you how I pulled that out. What I've been doing is just taking all the undercoating off this thing. So you can just see how bad it is. Patches in there, as you saw from my last episode. So things are getting there. But this time we're not actually going to be working on the car. This is going to be a road trip episode. We're going to head down to the Toronto area, and I found a whole bunch of parts on Kijiji. Some fenders, floor pans, wheel wells. So we're going to take a trip down there with the truck, load it up. We're going to head back. Alright, hope you enjoy this, folks. We did a lot of driving yesterday. Came all the way down from Ottawa, went up to Cambridge, went up to Caledon. We got one more stop to do today, Whitby, and then it's back to Ottawa. It's got a lot of nice parts, some nice people, but it should be nice to get home. Well, we just stopped to take a little break. We're about halfway home, I guess. GPS says we still got about another 3 hours to go. The roads are absolutely horrible. It's freezing rain, snow. We're getting there though. Still got a long way to go. Well, we finally made it home. Oh gosh, what a trip that was. The weather did not cooperate at all. It's been 2 long days of driving. You can see that there. 1,282 kilometers. Truck did pretty good. 14.1 liters per 100. I was going through a snowstorm, using 4-wheel drive a lot. Pretty happy with that. Sure is nice to be home though. Picked up some plastics here for the doors. Now they're scratched up and whatnot, but I should be able to fix that up. They're green. I'll fix them up. I'm going to paint them black. But nice shape. My other ones, they were all cracked up here in this corner. Probably could have fixed it, but got these for a good price. A new trunk pan too. It's 2-piece. That's okay. That's gonna be good. I want to say a big thanks to Ian. He kindly donated these wheel wells off of his car. He bought some new AMD ones, but he gave these to me. They're in pretty good shape. That's going to be a nice addition. He also donated this rear valance, the dual exhaust cutouts. Mine didn't have the exhaust cutouts. This needs some work, but I'm hoping I can salvage it. If not, maybe just cut these, cut the section out here for the cutouts and reuse mine. But so yeah, thanks Ian, appreciate that. And there's some fenders. The fiberglass, that's okay. These things are brand new though. They've never been painted. Guy bought a Challenger, came with it, and he took them off, and I think he put some steel ones on, but they're in good shape. Doesn't have that light bucket. That's okay. I'm gonna make one. There's the other wheel well. Not much better shape than the ones I have. Mine were totally rotten. And I gotta say thanks again to Ian. Donated this nice piece of, I think he said that 16 gauge. Helped me with some of the patches I need to make in the frame rails. He had to do the exact same repair that I'm gonna do. Oh, it's cold. So there we have it. That was a road trip down to Toronto area. I think we did pretty good. Got a lot of nice parts. It's nice to have a little getaway too. Take a break from things. So stay tuned, folks. All this stuff's got to go on. Rusty stuff's got to come off. Alright, take care. See you next time.